are, all of you know it, on the edge of a climatic abyss.
Locations around the globe saw extreme heat, including one record in Kuwait of 129.
There's people in the water! Oh my God! No.
The primary driving force behind species extinction, behind water and air pollution, is this system of animal agriculture.
Animal agriculture.
Animal agriculture.
Animal agriculture.
Animal agriculture.
Studies show climate change and water shortages are directly linked to the amount of meat we consume.
We will not succeed until we stop animal agriculture.
Heart disease, prostate cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis. I knew at that point what caused most diseases.
Animal products.
Animal-based proteins.
Animal protein.
People that increase their consumption of plant-based foods, decrease their consumption of animal foods, actually have a survival advantage, actually live years longer than those that don't.
In the European Union alone, over half of its budget is used to subsidize livestock production.
Across Europe, 80% of direct payments go to just 20% of farmers.
When you really look at who's lobbied for this system of agriculture, it's the largest meat producers. They dictate the federal policies around producing food because they have so much power.
Government gives $30 billion to underwrite cheap meat, and they give no money to the vegetable industry.
Recent scientific research has discovered that farm animals are far from stupid. The nearest most of us come is in the supermarket, but do we know how intelligent and sensitive they are, and how the decisions we make every day directly affect their lives?
Well, tens of millions of Americans have switched their diet from meat-centered meals to ones rich in vegetables, grains, beans, and other plant-based foods. Not only is it a healthy lifestyle change, but it's also helping change our environmental footprint.
The number one thing that you can do is to just stop eating meat.